Good morning, all of you. We will continue with the history chapter, World During Modern Age, and today we'll have a look at the last topic here, Rise of Socialist Thought and the Russian Revolution. Now, we have already seen that the Industrial Revolution, it divided the people into two main classes, the capitalists and the workers, means the haves and the haves not. So the industrialists, the capitalists, they controlled everything. They had lots of money, they have invested, and they have set up factories and mills. The workers worked in it. So though the workers, they worked very hard, very long hours, but still, the capitalists, they did not share their profit with the workers. They pocketed the whole profit, and so the capitalists, all, they grew more rich, whereas the workers, their condition became very poor. And the wage earners, those who were working in the factories, they did not enjoy any share in the profit. And why? Because the main motive of the capitalists, it was to make more profit, and that also at the expense of the workers, because they made workers work long hours for them, paid them less salary, their working and living conditions were also poor. All right, so they made the workers to work for them, got so much profit, but did not share any profit with them. And so the life of the workers in the capitalist society, it was very bad, it was sad, it was miserable. And so because they faced so many problems, and they had so many hardships, so trade unions, they came up, and there were other organizations which were set up to fight for the rights of the workers. And even many philosophers, they also came up with new ideas to improve the condition of the workers, and they wanted to set up a classless society, not a society in which we have the haves and the have nots, but a classless society in which all people, they have a proper, a decent standard of living. And so the theory of and ideas of Karl Marx and Frederick Engels, they had a tremendous impact on the people. Now, what did these philosophers talk about? Now, they criticized, they talked against the capitalist society. And by the middle of the 19th century, Karl Marx, he has published his famous book Das Kapital. And the ideas of these philosophers, they are known as communism. Now, what is communism? Now, according to these people, all means of production, means the things which are required to produce, like industries, land, agriculture, farms, money, now all that should be controlled by society. All right, and the profit, whatever profit they get, it should be shared equally by all the working people there. And now what they said, that a few capitalists, now they were controlling all the means of production, and they were making profit. And whereas the large number of workers who were really working hard for all that, now they lived in a deprived condition, in a condition where they do not have anything. And so these philosophers, they were of the view that one day workers will surely rise up in revolt under this unjust system. And so the ideas of communism, they spread like wildfire. Just like a wildfire is difficult to control, so the ideas also spread like wildfire. And they inspired the workers which were oppressed in different places. And in Russia, Lenin, he led a successful revolution of the workers. And as a result of this revolution, which we call as the Russian Revolution, the Tsar was overthrown. The emperor, the king of Russia, he was called as the Tsar. So the Tsar was overthrown, and the first socialist republic, it was set up in Russia. Now, because of this rapid spread of communism, it was a threat to the capitalist countries. In the countries in which we have capitalism, now they were like scared, because if this communism spread to them, then to their countries also, then the workers will revolt there also. And the profit which they were making, the profit which they were pocketing, now it would become less. And so after the World War II, this confusion, this tension between the capitalist and the communist countries, it continued and it caused so much tension, and this situation is known as Cold War. And so there was a need felt for an international organization which can maintain peace and security in the world, and so that there would be no war between these countries which were favoring communism and the countries which were favoring capitalism. And so because of that, United Nation organization, it was set up for this purpose only. And as of now, India and many other countries, they are actively working for achieving world peace through the United Nations. Okay, so that completes the chapter. Let's carry on with the exercises. Do you have a pencil with you? If not,
Yes, ma'am.
get a pencil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, alright. So let's start with the exercises. First is choose the correct option. During Dash, England was undergoing the Industrial Revolution. Which century? Yes, which century? Come on. You know, options are already given. You just have to tell me what do you think is the correct option. During which century was England undergoing the Industrial Revolution?
Ma'am, 17th century.
Beta, it is given on the first page of the chapter. Hurry up, someone look and tell me. I will not tell you this one. Come on, hurry up. First page of the chapter, it is mentioned. See.
Ma'am, 18th century.
See the first page and the third paragraph.
Ma'am, 16th century.
Alright. What they have mentioned, 15th and 16th. 15th is not mentioned here. So what will we take up? 16th century. Okay. Ordinary working people found increased opportunities for
All of these.
Yes, under industrial revolution we are talking about. So ordinary working people, they found increased opportunity for
Employment.
yes,
Employment.
correct. The factory system was largely responsible for the rise of the modern cities. Correct.
Cities.
Right. History has been divided into dash parts. Three parts. Okay. During which period did Babur, Humayun and Akbar rule over India?
Medieval.
Correct. Medieval.
Medieval.
The first socialist republic was set up in
the USSR.
USSR. Correct. We did it just now in Russia. The UN was set up after
The Second World
The
War.
Second World
the
War.
Second World
Second
War.
World War.
Correct. Fill in the blanks. Historians have tried to divide history into ancient dash and modern period.
Medieval.
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 Medieval. Medieval. Medieval. The French Revolution took place in
July 1789.
okay 1789. Dash century is regarded as the darkest period in the history of India. Right, 18th century. Next, the invention of steam engine symbolizes the
Locomotive.
it symbolizes
Industrial Revolution.
yes,
Industrial Revolution.
right, industrial revolution. It is a symbol of industrial revolution. So this invention of steam engine symbolizes the industrial revolution. Because of the invention of the dash, a lot of books began to be available.
Printing machine.
Printing press.
Printing
Printing
press.
press.
Right, printing press. Because of the invention of the printing press, a lot of books began to be available. Printing press. Next exercise. State if the sentences are true or false. For most of the 18th century, India continued to suffer and crumble under the British rule.
True.
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 Right, true.
True.
Industrial revolution started with the mechanization of the textile industry. Industrial revolution started with the mechanization advancement in textile industry. Yes, come on class.
True.
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 Harsh working conditions were not common before the industrial revolution. Means bad working conditions only came after the industrial revolution. Before it, it was not common. What do you think?
Ma'am, true.
No, it is not true. It is
False.
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 Because
False,
hard
false.
working conditions have always been there. Rousseau was a great philosopher of France.
True.
True. True.
True.
True.
Lenin led the French Revolution.
False.
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 Lenin led which revolution?
False.
Russian.
Russian
Russian Revolution.
Yeah, correct. Right. Okay, so that completes the exercises and the question answers of this chapter. I will send you through a PDF.